Ladies and gentlemen, gather round because OpenAI has just dropped a bombshell on the tech world with the launch of the GPT store. It's the talk of the town, and if you haven't heard about it, well, you're about to experience FOMO like never before. Now imagine this. OpenAI's GPT store is to ChatGPT what the App Store is to iPhones. It's the ultimate hub for discovering, using, and drumroll please, profiting from various AI applications. Move over, app stores in the mobile domain, the AI space is stepping up its game. But wait, there's more! If you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber, you're not just a bystander, you're the VIP guest list holder.
Nice.
Time to roll up your sleeves and become the Michelangelo of the coding canvas with your very own custom GPT. First up, your builder profile, because even robots need a dating profile, right? Swipe right for efficiency, left for bugs. We're keeping it real in the digital dating world. Now, accessing your GPTs is like having your very own AI entourage. They're here to assist, dazzle, and maybe even tell a few jokes. But don't worry, we're not entering the Twilight Zone, it's just the GPT store. Describing your creation is like explaining your latest masterpiece to your grandma. She might not get it, but you're proud nonetheless. It's a GPT, Grandma, not a toaster, but it can make toast if you want. Customizing is where the real party begins. It's like a digital masquerade ball, but instead of masks, we're playing with algorithms. Choose wisely, my friends. Your GPT might end up being the belle of the ball. Save and publish. It's like sending your AI creation into the world. Will it be the next viral sensation, or will it be the cat video of algorithms? Either way, you're in for a wild ride. Now, the GPT store isn't just a store. It's the tech equivalent of a blockbuster movie premiere. Revenue sharing, leaderboards, and spotlights. It's like the Oscars, but for your digital creations. Cue the red carpet. So, tech wizards, grab your virtual wands and head to chat.openai.com. The GPT store awaits. And who knows? Your custom GPT might just become the next AI rockstar. It's time to make money, have a laugh, and let the AI party begin.